Hello everyone, I'm Anand Prabhudesai and I would like to thank you for joining us today at TAG 2021, India's largest insurance advisor meet, where thousands of our partners have registered for the event. I hope you all are safe and are having a good time and enjoyed listening to the insights shared by Dhirendra. We do have a very exciting evening planned ahead for all of you, so please stay on. Even though you didn't have to battle the city traffic to get to this event today, we know that it takes a great deal of effort to be present online as well. Of course, we know that you guys are a relentless and committed bunch of people. Come rain, storm, or even COVID, we have seen how many of you have navigated the past year and carried on with great spirit and energy. Before I get on with my agenda, I would first like to salute you for the inspiration you've been to both me and the team at Turtlemint. Over the last few years, the internet has changed our lives completely. Almost anything from groceries, clothes, electronics, to hiring taxis, to finding jobs, to watching movies, to performing complex banking transactions. Almost anything is now possible on this small device that we carry in our pockets. Let's take a moment and think about the choices you've made today. Zomato, Swiggy se food order kiya. How many times in a day do you open WhatsApp for news and gossip? Zoom call, Netflix, Hotstar. In fact, without the internet technology, it would have been impossible for this event to happen with thousands of people from all over the country in one room. If not for the modern technology like internet and smartphones, the impact of COVID on business and even on our day-to-day lives would have been far, far worse. Needless to say, the insurance industry too is going to be completely reshaped by this technology. New age customers are demanding that they get all their insurance services, be it quotes, policies or claims, on their phones. And they want it fast, like everything else that happens through their mobile phones. We already know Policy Bazaar sells directly online. Everyday apps like Paytm, PhonePe, and Amazon, with crores of users, are also looking to get online and with insurance. There is a threat to the future of the agency business. Just look at what happened to travel agents in the past few years. So how do we counter this? I believe the insurance agents have a very, very special power: the strong relationship and trust of our customers. Trust built over years of providing good advice. Trust built by being around to support with claims. Trust built by being an active member of the community. Mehnat se kamaya hua naam. This naam, the goodwill that you have, is impossible for an online website or a telecaller sitting in Gurgaon or Navi Mumbai to earn. So the first step to counter the online threat is to acknowledge the strength, this goodwill that you all have. Work hard on building it and never do anything to lose it. Because if you do, the customer will go somewhere else. Aaj options bahut hai. The second part of this is to now start using technology in our day-to-day business to master it so that customers get an even better experience than what she would be getting on an online web aggregator. The same technology that a web aggregator uses is now available to you. We just have to make it our own. And if we do that, we will become unbeatable. We can grow, attract new talent to the business. I know of senior advisors who have built very successful insurance businesses, but their children are now not interested in running it. We need to make agency business attractive again, because if it is done well, it can become a great way to become financially independent on one's own merit and hard work. And many of you in the audience have proven that. So to trust and technology, I'm confident we can win. Jeet hamari hai. Which brings me to our third P. Dhirendra already spoke about people and partner, and now let's talk about the third P, which is product. Product, of course, means insurance plans. With the MintPro app, we now have hundreds of products available across motor, health, life, term insurance, personal accident, mobile phones, and much more. But product also means more than that. Product means a great experience for customers. With the MintPro app, quotes can now be done in less than 2 minutes with elaborate and complete comparisons that you can share instantly with customers. Not just quotes, but brochures and so much other information can be shared on WhatsApp. Policies can be issued with no paperwork in less than 10 minutes. The power of technology is in how creatively you can use it to give delight to your customers. Just one example, we see a lot of policies on MintPro getting issued just before midnight, before the expiry deadline. With a 24/7 app, we don't really anymore have to worry about late Latif customers and provide them with that extra special emergency service that they would love. Another example is what we saw during the lockdown when it was difficult to go out and meet customers. In spite of that, we saw a huge surge in sales as many of you adapted to doing business on WhatsApp, which MintPro makes really easy. It brought convenience for you and for the customer, time saved in unnecessary travel, and much, much safer in these times. We believe that a hybrid way of working, where you meet customers when needed and do a lot of work then over mobile and with video calling, is the future of this business. Not just that, but prospecting has also been very difficult during the lockdown. How does one market and build relationships with prospects if there are no opportunities to meet in person, no weddings, conferences, gatherings in churches and temples and other places? I am very happy to share that in the last month alone, over 50,000 of our DPs have prospected using the MintPro app, reaching more than 10 lakh people by simply sharing posters, videos, and other content in their WhatsApp, Facebook, and other social media feeds. This power of digital marketing is completely free to all of the users of the MintPro app. So if you haven't tried it yet, please do. Understand that technology is not just a new way of doing something, but it's a power, a key that can unlock completely new opportunities. Just depends on you. At Turtlemint today, we have 100+ engineers from the best engineering colleges in India, working hard to bring the power of technology in your hands. Let me tell you, we are 100% committed to this goal, and that's why we started Turtlemint. That's what we've been doing for the last 6 years. Your success is our success, and I want to reiterate our commitment to that. And now I come to our fourth and final P to complete the full circle, and that is platform. I believe we all have a shared mission. Our shared mission is to provide customers with the best insurance and financial solutions so that they can be safe from financial risks, lead happy lives, and achieve whatever they wanted to do, be it buying a home, education for their child, etc., etc. And we will be rewarded financially if we can successfully help them do that. I believe that to achieve this, we all have to come together as one. Agents, insurers, surveyors, the hospitals where we get treated, the garages where our cars get repaired, banks, etc., etc. Our vision is that the MintPro product becomes the biggest platform that can bring everyone, all the people and partners together for the shared mission. One example of that is Mint Academy. On Mint Academy, through our courses and webinars, we are bringing insurance product experts from the biggest insurance companies to you, so you can learn from them. Not just that, we are even bringing the most successful leaders from industry and public life to get inspiration from. Through our masterclass series, we've had the great cricketer Sanjay Manjrekar share his life journey with us. We've heard from Nilesh Shah, the CIO of Kotak Mutual Funds, and one of the best investing minds in India. And of course, the hugely popular master sales trainer, T.S. Madan. And many more interesting speakers are in the pipeline. We want MintPro to be the platform where you learn not just from experts, but also from each other, where senior advisors can mentor freshers. We've created a Q&A platform in MintPro to encourage such conversations, and many more opportunities for interaction will be made available soon across 1 million+ agents that we will soon have on our MintPro app. And Mintro is not just about work. It has become the place where we also have fun. Thousands of you have been participating and winning in our weekly quizzes and our MintPro IPL event. So we sincerely wish that MintPro becomes the place where we can build our community together. A community that supports each other. A place where we can network. A place where we can learn and develop and also have some fun. We are soon launching a very exciting referral program that will help us and help you get to 1 million+ members on our community. I encourage you to go to the MintPro app and check out more about this program. Thank you once again for partnering with us, for making us the largest insurance community platform. And cheers to our shared future and many, many great years ahead.